In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban View in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand how to open the Kanban View on your board and how to move items around so your workflow is clear and visual. Let's start from your Monday.com board. You should already have a board with some items and at least one status type column, because Kanban uses those statuses to organize your work into different columns. At the top of your board, look for the area where your views are listed. You might see options like Main Table, Calendar, or other views. If Kanban has already been set up for this board, you'll see a tab labeled Kanban. If you do see that Kanban tab, simply click on it. The board will switch from the regular table view into a more visual layout, where your items appear as cards grouped into columns. Each column typically represents a stage in your process, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This is the heart of Kanban, giving you a quick snapshot of where each task stands. If you don't see a Kanban tab yet, you'll need to add it. At the top of the board, near the existing view tabs, look for a plus sign. This plus sign is used to add new views. Click on the plus sign and a list of available views will appear. In that list, find and click on Kanban. Monday.com might briefly prompt you to confirm which column should be used for the Kanban grouping, usually a status column. Once you confirm, the Kanban view will be created as a new tab at the top of your board, and it will open automatically. Now that you're in the Kanban view, you'll see your items represented as cards, lined up under different columns. To update the status of a task or move it along your workflow, you don't have to open the item or edit anything in the table. Instead, simply click on a card, hold down your mouse button, and drag and drop that card into the appropriate column. For example, when you start working on a task, drag it from the To Do column into In Progress. When it's finished, drag it into Done. This drag and drop motion automatically updates the status of the item in the background, keeping your table view and Kanban view in sync. Use this simple interaction to keep your work organized, make priorities visible, and quickly see what needs your attention next.